Come here, quick, come here. I'm gonna share in this video secrets that people don't talk about, and you're gonna make a lot of money from it. Shh, don't tell no one. Alright everyone, welcome back to AJ FBA. I'm only joking, I'm not going to do the video in whispering, that would be terrible video, but welcome back baby to AJ FBA. Not in the studio today, thought I'd take it down to the other part of my house. This is the party side of the house, you know, where we do a bit of boogieing and dancing and yeah, entertainment is down this side, and this is where the YouTube magic mostly comes from. I'll be honest, I do have my studio on the other side, but the kids are all sleeping, so when I'm down here shouting AJ FBA, they won't be hearing me. Anyway, that's enough of that. Welcome back. This video is going to be about presence. It's about making yourself seem bigger than life, a bit like a wrestler. In this game, you're going to start talking to wholesalers. You're going to start presenting an image. And I believe as a beginner, it does no harm to have that mindset straight away. It's habits that'll take time to develop. You might as well start doing them straight away from the start. So the purpose of this is to try and get you to understand, where do you want this business to be in 6 months, a year, 5 years? That's what you should do ultimately. So write that down. That's tip one. Write down, what would you like? Get the whole pen out. Oh God, I would like to be a multi-millionaire. You know, set realistic goals. Where would you like it to be? And you will hit it. Trust me. See if you have a goal and you keep striving. And see, this is my mindset. If I want to do something, every obstacle that gets put in front of me, I work out a way to get rid of it, and I just keep going and going. See, if I don't have a goal, it doesn't become reality. I need a goal. I need to see it. I need to sort of say it to my wife. Like when I first met her, I was going, I'm going to marry you one day. You know, that was the goal, that was the mindset, that's what happened. And you know, you have to have that mindset full stop in life to be able to smash it. There's a lot of people in this world that just talking about things, and they sit back, I'm going to do this one day and I'm going to do that. I don't know why they're smoking. No one really smokes anymore, but they're smoking in this. God, I'm going to be this one day. Are you? Well, do something about it. No one does it. You need to be the person that's going to get off their seat and do it. This is my goal. This is my dream. This is what's going to happen. If you do that, trust me, it'll become reality. As they say in Blades of Glory, if you can dream it, you can do it. Get the mindset going. And I mean things like this. When you're speaking to a supplier, instead of saying, I would like to buy 10 items from you, please sign Big Mike. And the email address is Big Mike, MUFC 1988. Get rid of that email address. Ideally, spend a bit of money to get a private email address, or at the very least, set up a Gmail account that is in some way associated with your business, your company, whatever you're portraying. For example, ajfba@gmail.com. That looks a hell of a lot more impressive than bigsexy1988@gmail.com. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's about changing that initial mindset, because you need to be on the other side of it. You're sitting on the other side as a wholesaler. Email comes through, sexy chick 1988 email, I want to buy 2 of your products. It's not going to happen. You're probably not going to get a response. So what I would do, email, header, footer, get a bit of image, go on Canva, make it look more legit, get your details put on it, nice email signature, make it look sexy, legitimate, that your presence, your email address is right. And here's the key. Instead of going, hi, my name is, we are AJFBA, my name is Damien, working on behalf, and you just build it up. You sign off, we would love to work with your company. We would like to place a big order in. We are about to be VAT registered. We're just working towards it. And that brings me to my next point, VAT registered. Tip 3. Get a limited company. Just make the step happen. People think, oh, limited company, I'm going to set up my own company. It's not as daunting as it seems. I'm not asking you to go out to your local estate agent and go out and buy bricks and mortar building. It doesn't require that. What it requires is £12.99. £13 of your money can set you up as a director. How more professional does that sound on your email signatures? Damien, Director of AJFBA. Does that sound better, or does it sound better? Big sexy. Sign off. You know, it's image, guys. You fake it till you make it, as they always say. And there's loads of sites like this you can go on. Perhaps you're getting your accounts done. Personally speaking, as a surveyor, I'm good with money. I do my own accounts. I don't really need the help there. But you can do it. There's companies here for your business account. Get a business account, keep all the money separate, very easy. Go to Tide, that's who actually I'm with. You can get a free business account with them. It takes 2 seconds to set it up online. You can be approved today, have your business account and your limited company account all done within 1 day. Getting wholesale lists is very, very difficult. It's took me a year or so to literally build up a list, start speaking to people. It's a difficult enough process, but there is quick, easy options out there. And the first quick, easy option I want to show you right now, and I just go into my wallet here and TradePoint. Okay, TradePoint. This is what you do. Also, just to prove that I am a surveyor, there's my construction pass. Look at the state of that picture. Not horrendous. Like that's when I wore glasses. No, I'm not Superman. Although the wife would say I am. Nah, she wouldn't at all. Anyway, so what TradePoint is, for those that don't know, it is B&Q. B&Q have TradePoint. It's a site for trades, funny enough. So your builders and all that, they would go into TradePoint. They don't go into B&Q to buy all their paint for their job. They go to TradePoint, and the reason being is because with TradePoint, you get discount. 10% off, depending on how much you spend. And like any wholesale, you have to spend a bit of money. Wholesalers do not just accept one person coming in and going, right, 1 tin of paint, please. They don't do that. The reason they give you the discount is because they're shifting big quantities. And to be fair, TradePoint gives you a little bit of a taste of what wholesale would be like with more reasonable amount of money. In my other video that I talked about how much startup money you would need and things like that, I talk about sort of a £500 limit. Well, look at this. Simply spend £250 in 1 month and you get 5% off. If you can spend £1,000, £1,000, you will get 10% off. Your discount will last for the rest of that month and the next 3 months. So effectively, you could potentially have 4 months of discount. By spending $250, you'll get 5% off for the next 4 months. If you can somehow stretch to £1,000, that is £1,000 that you'll be spending. You'll be getting £100 straight off that. So it's actually only £900. And then for the next 3, possibly 4 kind of months, you could buy anything you want and get 10% off. You can sign up within 5 minutes. Now, personally speaking, I'm not really lying because I have done a hell of a lot of house renovations. I am a limited company and I am in the construction game. So I tick a lot of the boxes that the criteria could be stretched. Either way, you shouldn't be reselling the stuff, but that's pretty much the basis of any store. Pets at Home, DIY itself, Screwfix, you name all the sites, Dunelm, they all say we do not want you to resell. That is what they don't want you to do because it hurts their business ultimately. Amazon's overtaken, the big bad Amazon beast. They don't want you to be reselling their products. If you think, oh, I don't want to do that because I'm breaking the rules, technically speaking, well, technically speaking, you're probably, if you're doing FBA, you're probably breaking a hell of a lot of rules. And that's kind of the mindset you'll need for wholesalers. Wholesale, when you go down that route and start knocking on the door of different suppliers, they will ask you, well, what's your business? And the way I like to talk about it is, oh, I've got 10% brick and mortar in my own house, pop-up stores, do a bit on Etsy, do a bit on this. As soon as you mention just straight up, I'm Amazon FBA, goodbye, doors closed more times than not. They don't want FBA because it hurts the business. Amazon's a big beast and it's coming for all these small businesses. They don't want to be feeding that beast, if that makes sense. So you need to be cute, you need to understand this, but this is great. This will give you so much discount and it helps just for your general living. Say you do want to do renovation. Imagine I was telling you right now, you were going to buy a whole pile of wooden floor and it was going to cost you £1,000. Straight away with this tip, you've just saved £100, just like that. And there is special deals. There's clearance deals, special deals. Go in store, you can do click and collect. You can also include or exclude VAT. It makes it a lot easier as well. That's just one example. I could go on and give you those examples and I will do that. So make sure to like and subscribe, help me grow the channel. I promise I'm gonna keep doing more and more videos. And don't forget to get into the free Telegram group. That's right, free deals, guys. Make sure to get into it. Deal Hunters, the free version, the link is down there below, or just go on the Telegram and type in Deal Hunters. You will find it. Get in, join all the members, over 200 members now in there getting the free deals. But do consider upgrading to the premium. The ones that don't make the cut for the premium go into the free one, but the best deals go into the premium. And I'm talking about deals that are minimum 30% ROI and a minimum of 30 sales a month. These are vetted by our team. They are the best deals. That is why there's only a limited amount of people allowed into the premium service. So get in as quick as possible, but at very least join the free one. I'll see you there. And I would check out this one. This one is just all about the sort of the Amazon journey. It's my sort of first ever video that I've done on the channel. I like to just refresh people, let them know the kind of ins and outs, the tips and tricks of all about Amazon and at a high level, what I'm all about. And for more general banter, you'll get it all in that video. Please like, subscribe again. As I said, peace.